Okay.
I like to start with the first one that I found.
So this is our other secret spot. And this group right here we picked from the tree. And this group over here we picked from
The ground.
the ground for the most part. Yeah, and they're a little funky. There's some
That
funky
was a good
ones.
one. That's a good one.
That's a good one. But it's a little mushy right there. It's a little mushy when you squeeze right in there. The rest of it be good.
These are hard.
But yeah, this was the very first one in the film. And you see a pretty good little dimple in there. You can't have too many Pawpaw in a bag. Otherwise they kind of squish each other. So you're gonna eat this one?
Yes.
The way you open up a Pawpaw is have a knife, and a plastic knife works perfectly fine out in the woods, and cut it lengthways. And you're gonna feel the seeds right away.
Mm-hmm.
And just roll across the seeds. Don't fight the seeds, just roll across them.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Just roll across them. Then grab the two halves and then twist.
Perfect.
Look at that. Look at that.
That looks nice.
Look at that.
This one is
Oh,
softer.
that one's crappy though.
No, it's not crappy.
That's crappy. That one's gonna be crap. Mine's better than yours.
Oh gosh.
Okay. And then to eat them, get your spoon in there. Wow.
They are not that sweet.
That's got kind of a nutty. This one's almost like a nutty flavor.
What do you mean, nutty?
Making a compost pile here. So we got a compost pile of seeds and skin and stuff like that. So you just keep scooping it out as you go. Around the seed is a really cool membrane. And then you got the flesh part, and some membrane action. So a spoon, a knife, can be a plastic knife. The metal spoon is real practical. So we also picked these persimmon. These are native persimmon, so they're a lot smaller.
This is our next one.
That's your next one?
Mm-hmm.
Would you show us how to cut it open? It's got a lot of juice on that knife. Yeah, split it. Nice. Wow, look at the color on that. Now that color, is it gonna be sweeter when you see that color?
It's
Do you
very
think it's gonna be
sweet.
sweeter?
Yes.
Check
I'm
it out.
sure. I'm positive.
So check out this one here and this one. So one's a little yellowish, and there's Pawpaw varieties that are a little yellowish. I can't remember which. Peterson Pawpaw's a little on the yellow side. Sometimes an orangish one will have hints of citrus. It's rare. We've only had it a couple of times.
Mm-hmm.
Hints of citrus. It was unbelievable flavor.
Was it last year?
I think it was
before.
2 years. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Wow. Wow. Lots of seeds.
These peppers
In the
have
wild ones.
my flavor.
Look at all the seeds. But the seeds will have that membrane around it, and that membrane's kind of cool to kind of work off. So the wild ones will have lots of seeds. They'll have a high seed to pulp ratio, whereas the cultivars will have a low seed to pulp ratio. That's a big difference. Flavor-wise, I think richer. They can be richer flavors than cultivar. The wild ones are tasty, but I think cultivars can be a little more, a little tastier,
Yeah.
and then consistent. Consistent.
This has a good flavor.
It has a really good flavor. It has a really light, custardy. It's custardy. Okay, so we got a yellow one, orange one. Yellow and orange. Look at this fatty. Look at that one.
Is it from the ground or from the tree?
This is the division here. So everything to the left is picked off the tree and everything to the right's on the ground. And you can kind of see how they're a little darker, you know, when you pick them up off the ground. Like that's a little nasty even. Nasty in that I want to make sure I'm not getting
The color.
too much, well, not too much bacteria on my hands too, you know. So you want to kind of keep your hands on the skin when you eat these. Some of these come from the ground, like this one here, and some from the tree. The ones from the ground will generally have just a little more darkness because they've been down on the ground. This is maybe on the ground 24 hours. By 5 days, this looks like a raisin here. This will look like a raisin in 5 days. In about 1 day, you'll have this off coloring. This is normal, totally normal. And this could be totally normal too for a pawpaw. We open this one up, we should look at the back there. You'll see that this doesn't affect the fruit in any way. So once you open up this big boy, the ones from the ground we're gonna put over there. I'm gonna open up this one. And we'll show everybody. We'll show everyone how this discoloration doesn't affect the fruit on the inside. You're getting good at that. We should have some music in here. We should have some Pawpaw music. Some good like fiddle music or something. Wow. Look at that. That looks meaty.
What
That
is
looks-
the Papa music?
Fiddling. Like, you know, West Virginia, kind of cool Kentucky.
Sing it.
Well, we're not going to have any banda. Ranchero. Banda ranchero. Okay. So I'm cracking this one. This one was a little hard. It's a little funky. But I want to grab the fruit that's on the other side of these, like liver, I call them liver spots. Show you, it doesn't affect the fruit in any way. So whether it's green or like that color there, it won't affect the fruit on the inside. Let's check this out. Get that seed. This one was a little too hard. So like these dark spots has no effect on the fruit on the inside.
This is more custardy.
Nice. Yeah. That was excellent. Wow. That nailed it. Wow. That's really good. Wow. Meaty.
It's the right consistency.
Yeah. I'll give you the rest of that one. That was a big one, like, kind of like that one.
Almost.
That one, that's another winner. Nice colors on them too. They look better than the ones from our other spot.
Yeah.
It's maybe a little smaller, but better looking fruit. High five, we found a new spot. This one looks really good. Okay, just softly. You don't even really push. You just slide the blade lengthways.
And you touch the seeds.
And just rub against the seed softly. Yeah. It's like no effort. And then twist. Right, everyone.
Happy Papa.
Bon appetit. Cheers.